That's Jim O'Rear's Wacky World.
All right, so real short video. Some friends have talked me into going onto this death machine. Okay. Let me tell you something about the Orlando StarFlyer. This thing isn't a ride. It's a 450-foot tall metal truss exercise with gravity. 450 feet. That's not a thrill ride height. That's why is there oxygen missing up here height. That's I can see my bad life decisions from space height. You don't ride this thing. You apologize to it before boarding. We're gonna die. The concept is beautifully insane. They strap you into what looks like a lawn chair with commitment issues, hook you up to some chains, and then spin you around a giant pole like a human ceiling fan. It speeds up to 60 miles per hour because apparently someone at a design meeting said, you know what would make chairs better? A wind tunnel. Now, they'll reassure you, don't worry, there's a seatbelt and a harness. Oh, good, a seatbelt. That's comforting because when I'm dangling 45 stories in the air, what I'm really thinking is, man, I hope this feels like the front seat of a Honda Civic. But once you are in the air, oh, the view is spectacular. You can see all of International Drive, Icon Park, traffic, restaurants, basically every place you could be instead of willingly becoming airborne patio furniture. It also gives you the opportunity to shout out to friends who weren't able to make it there with you.
This is for you, Milo!
But the best part? The wind. People say it's even crazier when it's gusty. Fantastic. So now we're adding weather into the equation. That's not a thrill ride. That's a deleted scene from a survival documentary. But if you can tuck away your fear, I'll give it this. It totally delivers. Coaster fans love it. Adrenaline junkies swear by it. And if you've ever wanted to feel like a loose receipt in a hurricane while enjoying a lovely skyline view, congratulations, Orlando has built your dream. It's truly a thrilling ride and beautiful at night. All right, so we are now off the death trap, and we all lived.
That's the scary part, I-4.
Next is I-4 is the scary part.
We may have survived, but I almost peed.
And he was upwind of me, so that would have been really bad.
He did so well. And look, even Davey over there.
If it wasn't for friends and family, I wouldn't have done it.
We conquered fear.
And you're still walking, and your legs are
So there you go.
I can at least say that I conquered my fear, and I've never done a swing, even the little 10-footers. I've never done a swing ever in my life because I'm scared of the chains, and I think breaking
Those are baby
my
chains.
my cherry, as they call it, on the biggest one is the way to do it.
You're welcome.
always gotta do the big.
So that is definitely the way
like
to
to go
see
big.
International Drive.
Go big or go
Definitely the way to see
And
it.
Universal.
And Universal. It was beautiful.
Time to rate.
Junkie not booked. He's chasing down rumors while I'm totally hooked. He's karate kicking logic right out the door and reviewing Jean-Claude like it's film folklore. He